cold.
Oh, it's so cold. Oh. Welcome to Newcastle. A little bit cold, is it? Oh.
A little bit.
And this is the Angel of the North. Woohoo!
I should have butchered that.
Yeah.
Angle of the North.
The angle. The angle of the North.
Sorry, we're back in England now.
Today we're showing you Newcastle and all the stuff you can do in a day. We're starting at the Metro Centre, moving on to showing you what Newcastle City is like, showing you an apartment that you may want to stay in, and showing you some of the nightlife. See what I have to put up with? God. Primark. Oh guys, we made it! Newcastle. I am taking the mic, guy.
Yeah, our stuff's in the Gibson Street car park. Go right ahead, we'll take all our shite.
Oh yeah, because I'm going to post this live right now. Actually, wait a second, it's live. No. Don't nick our stuff. So we're at Newcastle. Newcastle, baby! Don't worry lads, it'll look nice when it's finished. It looks lovely out today. It is freezing. Oh, I don't want to do this.
Yay!
This isn't an adventure. This is torture.
It's an adventure. Oh, these look like I'm going to get stabbed stairs.
One stabbing stairs, two stabbing stairs. A million steps. 1 billion mile slope. We finally made it. Newcastle Castle? I want to see Newcastle Castle.
Where's Newcastle Castle? It's not Newcastle Castle, it's a cathedral, Sean.
It says Newcastle Castle.
It actually does.
Newcastle Castle. It doesn't. Newcastle Castle. Let's have a look.
Pretty flowers.
Look, Geordie Shore places or something or other. I don't know. I don't watch the programme. Thank you.
Where did you go for?
The one of the day, it was bacon, like onion and like pancetta on it. It's hot.
Well, no shit, it's just out the oven.
Guided tour of the apartment. Dream apartment, there we go. We have a lovely view out these windows. Please do not heckle me while I'm doing this. And we have a balcony. Ooh, balcony. Which is the shortest balcony in the world. But there we go, we have a balcony. Let's go and find out what's on the other rooms. Jess, is it okay if I just pop into your room?
No.
No?
Yeah, that's fine. I've got an ensuite.
Okay, we'll check out the ensuite. We have a cupboard.
This is fancy schmancy.
Cool. We have one bedroom. One bedroom. Cupboards. Nice. Oh, mirror. Oh, sexy. Oh. Well, next we have a bathroom. Oh, sexy. And now we have another bedroom. It's a big bedroom. Ooh, door bars. Good view again. And there is also an ensuite. Doesn't look like it's been cleaned, like it's very sticky. And then there's, what was it, the food in which cupboards?
No, that's the fridge. Yeah, that one.
Someone just threw.
And there's still dishes in the dishwasher.
And there's still just.
Look clean, but dishwasher system.
Oh, we've got a washing machine there, but.
Yeah.
It's just. So, we've upgraded our rooms due to the fact that there was food in the cupboards. So let's show you our new and improved balcony. Everything else is exactly the same. Okay, it's got some cigarette butts on there, but you can get an awesome view of the sea. So we found that is pretty cool. Don't like the red. You want the purple. Don't mind us when we freeze while we're waiting for the purple bridge. No, that's orange, Jess. Can't have a picture yet. We'll wait. Come on. That's still orange. Oh, it's green. It'll be blue next and then purple. Oh, it's green. Huh? Oh, blue, told you. Yeah, just focus. Pink, I'm going home. That's it. It's pink. Oh.
How did you get hypothermia?
Well, it takes 2 rounds to go from pink. It does another round of pink after all the other colours, and then it'll do purple. And Jess will miss it again, and then we're. Oh, right, yeah. Or is it going to go purple this time? No. Pink. Pink. Green. Pink.
It just looks white.
There you go.
There we go.
Purple, finally! So there you go, guys, that's Newcastle. We'll be leaving early in the morning tomorrow and continuing our journey off to London, to the Harry Potter Studios on our random tour of England. Thank Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, I have plenty of other vlogs on this channel, Scottish vlogs and English vlogs. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you again soon.